Hello everyone, and we've decided to do a mini series about how suppliers can respond to an RFX or a sourcing event using the Ariba network. So it all starts off by inviting your suppliers, so existing suppliers or creating new suppliers to a sourcing event, and then allowing them to respond via the Ariba network. So the reason why we want to do this is we want to allow suppliers to adhere to our process. And when they do that, it does allow us to do a side-by-side comparison of all supplier responses. So the first scenario we'll be talking about is inviting a supplier that already has an Ariba network and exists in your supplier database. And the real value here again is standardizing the sourcing process, allowing for that visibility of all responses, and we want to simplify the response process for all suppliers. Let's have a look at how that's done. So I've created a sourcing project. I've selected a supplier that is already registered on the Ariba network, and to find that out, you can go into their profile and you should be able to see an Ariba network account ID registered against that supplier. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this event. So once the event has been published, the supplier should receive an email inviting them to participate in this request. So once the supplier receives the invitation email, you can see here that it's got their Ariba network user ID. So that just confirms they do have an account. So they can either click on the link there to take them to the event, or they can just log in through supplier.ariba.com. So we'll just go ahead and use that same ID in the email to log into this supplier's Ariba network account. So on the dashboard, what you'll need to do now is click on the little box there with the dots and click on the proposals option. So you'll notice here that the event that we created is just at the top there. So we'll go ahead and review the prerequisites for this event. We'll accept the terms and conditions, and then we can select which lots and items we want to participate in. So we'll go ahead and click on the lots that we want to participate in and submit. So we'll then be taken to the screen where we can actually submit our response. So we're just going to go ahead and put the price for the one item that they've requested about, put a lead time, and we'll add some shipping cost as well. So once you click on the update totals, you will notice that the system will automatically calculate the total price. Once you're happy, go ahead and submit your response, and the buyer should receive your quote within a few seconds. So if we go back to the buyer's account and refresh there, you'll notice that the quote that we just submitted is available there for the buyer to review. And that was how a supplier that has a current account on the Ariba network was able to submit a quote through the Ariba network. That's all I had. Thanks, guys.